What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dom coming back to you from All About Passive Income. And today, I'm just going to do a quick update video on FX Scalper to kind of show you my proof progress and results and what's going on with the platform. I've been getting a lot of messages. People been asking me about this particular platform on how it work. Is this legit or is it something I can get in long term and things of that nature? So I'm going to go over all of that. But before I do, let me hit you guys with the disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor, nor will I tell you what to put your money in, how to spend it, what platforms is going on. All I'm doing is showing you guys what I'm doing, how I'm spending my crypto. If you, make sure you do your own research, your own investigations, if you will, before you jump into anything online. All right, guys. Now that we have that disclaimer out of the way, let's dive right on into FX Scalper. Now, FX Scalper Fund is a forex trading. All right, this is what they're into. So basically, all you're gonna do if you want to get involved with this particular platform, all right. So just like I said, make sure you do your own research, your own due diligence. I'm just talking about what I'm doing and educating people if they do want to get involved with it. All right. Now, basically, all you have to do with this is you just deposit your funds into the account, and they're gonna trade them on your behalf. Okay. And I know we've had a lot of these platforms going around, and they're saying, "Are they really trading?" I don't think, are they really trading, or is it just waiting on other people to come in? This company is actually really, really trading. All right, guys. So if you want to get more transparency on that, I can give you the Telegram, which I'll leave, leave the Telegram link in the description below, and you can go over there. You can check it out for yourself 100%. All right. It breaks it all down in the Telegram group. All right. Now, this company has been around ever since the ending of 2018, okay, and they kicked off in January of 2019. So they've been around for a year and 2 months now. So I don't see any signs of this thing slowing down, but that's just in my opinion. I put this at the low risk, the low risk side of things. But like I said, anything in crypto, we don't know how long it's gonna how long it's gonna stay around. It's all up to the admin. The admin can shut this thing down tomorrow or next week or 5 years from now. We just don't know. So I like to be very transparent with you guys so you guys understand what you're getting into, because a lot of people, they want to get mad and, oh, well, I got into this and they didn't last long. But we all know, because we've been in these platforms for forever. I know a lot of people that jumped in, a lot of them, and they come and they go. That's just crypto. That's just how it boils down. But I do put this at the low risk side of things, and the reason why is because, like I said, it's not paying out just buku tons of money just going out on a daily basis. This is, it's a low earner. It's a low earner. So I can't say that it's a low earner, but the potential of this is stupid. Okay, it's just stupid, the potential of this. All right, so basically all you have to do is just like any other platform. You deposit your funds into the account, and then once you deposit it into the account, then they go ahead and start trading. So the forex only works Monday through Friday. It doesn't do any trading on the weekends, so there's no payouts on the weekends at all. Okay, but you can still withdraw your money on the weekends, but they don't do any payouts. All right. Now I do want to let you guys know, because I know a lot of people, they shy away from things if you got to do a KYC or whatever. But you do have to do a KYC with this. You have to upload a driver's license, a passport, and a proof of, your proof of address. You have to do that to get involved with this platform. So if you are wanting to get into this platform, then I highly recommend that you get your account verified first before you try to deposit any funds into the platform, because I made that mistake. I came in, I got a little FOMO going, and I just went on and I just said, hey, you know what? I'm gonna just throw the money in here and let me see what it's gonna do. And didn't my funds didn't hit, so I was going back and forth with support, and the reason why is because my account wasn't verified yet. So once my account got verified, then my funds, went straight through, didn't have no problem, and I was ready to go. So it's very simple. Once you get your account verified and get everything rocking and rolling, but before I get into that, if you do decide to get involved with this platform, and you do do your KYC, make sure you download an app or a resize app on the photos that you're going to be sending, because it's only going to take a 2 megabyte. All right. So if you want to, you download you a little app and put your picture in there or whatever, and then you're gonna resize it to 2 MB, so that way it'll upload. Because if anything is bigger than that, it won't accept it, and you'll get all frustrated, and this, that, whatever. I did the same thing. It took me a minute, and then I was like, oh, okay, I should have seen it. But yeah, make sure that you get you a resize app on your phone or on your computer or whatever, and resize your photos to 2 MB, and it'll go straight through without no problem. And all you got to do is wait for you to get verified. It doesn't take very long to do that. All right. Now, once you get into the platform, your funds is going to go right over here to your wallet balance. Okay, so the minimum to get started with this is $50. Okay, so once you put your funds into it, it's going to say wallet balance, and it's going to be right here. Okay. Now, in order to get your funds down here into the trading pool, you're gonna have to hit the transfer funds. As soon as you hit the transfer funds, you're gonna click on the total investment balance, and then that's gonna click down here, and then your funds will click here, and they'll be right here where it says pending investment. It's gonna stay right here until they actually take your money and put it into the bot. Okay. And then once your money gets into the bot, then you're rocking and rolling from there. All right. Now, the cool thing with this platform, all right, now you're not obligated to be in have your money staying in the platform for 60, 70, 80 days. You don't have to do that. You can withdraw your money whenever you feel the need to. So if you want to pull out, if I wanted to pull out this $121 right now, I can pull this $121 out right now, no penalties, no nothing. I can just take my funds and go on about my business and do whatever I want to do with it. Okay, so you have that ability to do that. Your funds is never locked up in the platform. You can get it whenever you want to get it. All right, so I just wanted to make that clear. All right, so they also have a reinvest button down here where you can reinvest your funds that come in on a daily basis. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna reinvest, and get this number as big as I can. And also, I'm gonna be adding funds to the platform every week, whether it be $50 to $100, because it's a $50 minimum. So if I want to build this number up even more, which I'm going to do, I'm just gonna put in $50 or $100 a week to build this up even more, to get a bigger balance, so I can start getting bigger ROI on a daily basis. All right. Now, that's what I'm doing. That's my plan. You can do whatever you want to do. You can come in with a bigger amount, or however you want to do it. You can do that. That's totally fine, up to you. You can start with 50 and then just gradually move this up. However you want to do it. Your strategy is your strategy. All right. So this basically down here just gives you, your balance over time, just shows you how you're performing, what's going on and things like that. This is kind of about your payouts that you have over here, your rebate amounts and stuff like that. And like I told you before, they started in late 2018, and they got the ball rolling in 2019. And here's all the payouts that they've been paying out per month. So this thing's been rocking and rolling. And now we're in 2020, and these are the payouts that's going out so far. For 4% in January, 2.91% right now in February. So like I said, it is a slow earner. All right, but this is something that you can build on a passively. Okay, so I look at it like this: if I built this thing to a respectable amount of money, it doesn't bother me. If I'm getting only $20 or $30 a day from this platform, and I'm not doing anything else but just withdrawing $20 or $30 a day, I mean, to me, at the end of the day, that's better than no money at all. Let's not set the world on fire money. You're not going to go buy no Lambo or this, that, whatever, but that'll give you a little bit of money to, do something, pay a light bill, pay a car note, pay insurance, do something to take the little load, take more of a load off of your monthly bills. Okay, so it's not gonna be, oh, I'm gonna be rich tomorrow, I'm gonna be rich next month, or I'm gonna be rich next year or whatever. You can build this to that. It's just depending on, your risk tolerance. All right. So I just wanted to, kind of throw that out there. All right. So this, I can give you kind of a better idea about how much, what you could be making on an average. So this is average. This is not guaranteed. So let's just say you come in And say you come in with just say 500 bucks. We'll just say 500 bucks. All right. So you come in with 500 bucks. So your average monthly rebate and profit is going to be 50 to $100 a month. All right. I mean, like I said, yeah, that's no money. A lot of people say, "Oh, that ain't no money. That's whatever." But you get $2.27 to $4.55 a day that you can just build up, build up, build up, or whatever you want to do. And then just and keep in mind you also will be reinvesting this and compounding it. So this number is going to start growing every week. So just say on the high end it's $4.55. As soon as you put that $500 in, then next week it could be sitting at $7 or $8 daily. Okay, then the next week after that, it could be sitting at, $15 to $20 daily or whatever, because you'll be compounding and compounding and compounding. Then you get to a actual, something that you feel comfortable with. You could say, oh, I'm gonna build this until I get to, you know, $50 a day, and then I'm fine with that. So let's just say you build your account up, you put in 500, you build your account up to, let's just say, $1,500. All right. So now you'll be getting paid, between $150 to $300 a day. I mean a month, excuse me. So you'll be getting anywhere from $6.82 to $13.64 a day profit. Okay, so you'll just be constantly, reinvesting and building it up, building it up, building it up. So that's how that works. And then you just get to a point to where you're comfortable. Like I said, you could keep going. You could say, hey, well, I want to build this thing up to $10,000, and let me see what that pulls out for you. So I got $10,000 in here, so I'll be getting anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 a month. That's not guaranteed, but that's just an average. So, but you're gonna be a daily between $45 and $90 a day. So you just have to figure out what you're gonna do and how you're gonna build it. Yeah, this $10,000 is a lot for a lot of people. But if you're compounding, you're building this thing up on a daily, and then you're constantly, putting in $50 here or $100 here when you have a little bit of change left over, and you're compounding, you can get up to this $10,000 quicker than what you think you can, guys. So don't let that $10,000 discourage you, because a lot of people say, well, that's a lot of money. I can't put in $10,000. Yeah, a lot of us can't put in $10,000 in these platforms, nor will a lot of us put in $10,000 in these platforms. I'm not gonna put in $10,000 in a platform. I'm not doing it. So, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not going to sugarcoat it and make it seem like, that I will. I'm not going to do it. Now, I'll grow my balance up to $10,000 or $20,000, but I won't come right off the muscle and put in 10 or 20,000 or 30,000 in any platform. Unless, unless I've got, big, money stacks. Then this risk wasn't nothing to me. $10,000 is a lot for me, so this would be a big risk for something for a guy like me to put this $10,000 in. Okay, so I'm just giving you the rundown. I'm not a whale. I'm just an average guy like the rest of the people that are average people in this space. You got the whales, you got the whales, and you got the average, and then you got the newbies. So I consider myself right in the middle of them both. All right. So, but this platform does have potential to blow and get you where you need to go. Just make sure, like I said, just do your research, your due diligence. I'll leave all of this information in the link below. But if you want to come over here and check out this calculator, all you have to do once you come over to the home page of Fxscalper, it's going to be a button up here. It's going to say invest. You just click on that, and then it's going to come over here, and you can kind of just play around with this yourself and kind of see what you want to get into. All right, guys, but that's all I got on Fxscalper. If you liked what I gave to you today, guys, then smash that like button. I really appreciate it. And if you ain't had the chance to subscribe to the channel, then definitely subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can get all the updates and all the videos going forward. But all right, guys, you know who it is, man. It's your boy Dom from All About Passive Income. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.